In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PDF from photos on your iPhone. Just follow these simple steps. First, open the App Store and search for Microsoft Office 365. It is a completely free software for creating PDF. Install this app, then open it, tap on Get Started. In the app, tap on Apps at the bottom right. After that, tap on Open next to PDF Tools, then select Pictures to PDF. Now allow the photos access. Now choose the photos you want to include in your PDF. You can select one or multiple images. Once you've made your selections, tap Add in the upper right corner. Now you can arrange your photos in the order you want them to appear in the PDF. You can also make basic edits like adding filters, cropping, add text to enhance the presentation. When you're done, tap on Finish. Now rename your PDF. Make sure to choose a clear and descriptive file name so it's easy to find later. Then tap on Save to Phone. Now open Files to access the PDF. Then tap on My iPhone. Then open the folder called Microsoft 365. Then you will find the PDF you just created. And that's it. You've successfully created a PDF from your photos. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.